This guide will walk you through the steps for onboarding an application into APIsec. First, log into your APIsec account. You'll be taken to the main view where you can see all the applications you've already registered. To register a new API, click Add Application. This will bring up a window with several options. You can register your API by providing an OpenAPI Specification or Postman collection, or integrate with many API gateways including MuleSoft, Azure, AWS, Kong, and others. For this tour, I'll select OpenAPI Specification and click Next. You'll then be asked to provide the application details. Enter the name of your application. You can either upload your API specification file or provide a URL if it's hosted online. In this case, I'll upload the OpenAPI specification for my application and click Continue. Next, I have to define the location of my API. APIsec will automatically extract any base URLs from your documentation. You can also modify this URL or add new instances. This is helpful if you want to test in multiple environments like QA, staging, or production. Then click Continue. APIsec will take it from there. The product will analyze your API, automatically generate thousands of attack simulations, build an app model to maximize test quality, and provide insights into security issues and vulnerabilities. From here, you can explore your API, learn more about its functionality, find sensitive endpoints, and kick off scans. Thanks for watching. Visit the Help Center for more video tutorials.